If you're watching this, you probably already heard a dozen AI pitches this quarter. Everyone's got a demo, everyone's promising transformation, and you're still not sure what's actually going to help your business versus what is just noise. I get it, because I've been on the other side of those pitches, and most of them are noise. I'm Delon, founder of Northbridge AI, and I'm not here to sell you on AI. I'm here to help you figure out what's really worth your time and what isn't. I spent the last 10 years building machine learning and AI systems, not advising on them, actually building them. I went from 0 to 1 with generative AI at companies like the LA Dodgers and Hearst, billion-dollar organizations with real stakes and real pressure to get it right. And here's what I learned working at that scale. The difference between AI projects that actually move the needle and the ones that become expensive disappointments, it's not budget, it's not even technology. It's whether someone in the room truly understands both the business problem and what AI can realistically do about it. Most companies don't have that person. The big ones can hire a team, but if you're running a firm with 30, 50, 100 people, you can't justify a full-time AI hire, and you probably shouldn't, but you also can't afford to get it wrong. That's the gap I built Northbridge AI to fill. Here's what I hear from operators like you. First, you can't tell what's real. Every software vendor has slapped AI powered on their product. Every consultant has an AI practice now. But you don't have an innovation team to separate signal from noise. You need someone who's already seen what works. Second, you're stuck in a gap. You can't justify a full-time AI hire, but you also can't properly evaluate what you're being sold. And one wrong bet doesn't just waste money. It wastes months and burns credibility with your team. Third, even when you know the right project, execution is a minefield. You've heard the stories. Blown timelines, tools that nobody actually uses, and integrations that never quite work. The pilot that was supposed to take 6 weeks is still almost ready 6 months later. These aren't technology problems, they're guidance problems. You don't need more AI. You need the right AI implemented correctly by someone who's done it before. So what are your options right now? You could hire a big consultancy. They're great at strategy. They'll map your opportunities, build a roadmap, and hand you a polished deck. But when it's time to actually build something, that's a different team, a different contract, a different conversation. You could hire a dev agency. They'll build exactly what you ask for, which is a problem if you're not sure what to ask for. And the moment they're gone, you're stuck maintaining something you don't fully understand. Or you could try to figure it out yourself. But you're running a business. You don't have time to become an AI expert. What's missing is a partner who can do all three. Help you see where AI can actually fit in your business, build the right solutions, and make sure your team can actually use them. That's what we do. We work in 3 phases. Phase 1, diagnose and educate. We start by understanding your business, your workflows, your pain points, where time and money are leaking. We interview your key people, but we're also building your team's AI fluency along the way, because the goal isn't just to find opportunities, it's to make sure you can evaluate them with confidence, now and in the future. Phase 2, pilot and prove. Once we've identified the highest impact opportunities, we design and deploy the skills and agents that address them. Real implementations, not prototypes. We validate results before we scale, so you're not betting the farm on something improved. Phase 3, scale and govern. We expand what works across your organization, train your team to use and maintain these systems, and help you build a living AI roadmap, one that evolves as the technology evolves and as your business does. The goal isn't to make you dependent on us, it's to make you capable with us as a resource whenever you need deeper expertise. This approach gets results. A financial services law firm we worked with was losing senior associate time to manual closing set assembly, tedious, error-prone work. We built a system that cut that prep time by 83%. What used to take 2 days now takes 2 hours. An executive search firm was bottlenecked on candidate research. Their researchers couldn't keep up with demand. We deployed intelligent sourcing that let each researcher handle 2.5 times the searches they could before. These aren't pilots. They're systems running in production, delivering ROI every week. Here's what I'd suggest as a next step. Book a call with us. 30 minutes. We'll talk about your business, where you're feeling the most friction, and whether AI can realistically help. You'll walk away with a clearer picture of what's possible, whether we end up working together or not. No pitch deck, no pressure, just a conversation with someone who's been in the room before. If that sounds useful, click the link and grab a time. We'll talk to you soon.